Hello guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Rennie. So in this video I'm going to be kind of like reviewing about this project. So today's video is sponsored by Dragon Return. So this project is all about kind of like a tokenomics token as usual, but this one is a bit different. And the reason why I said that this is the best shit coin right now is that you kind of like when you hold the coin there, it kind of like reward you in BTC. Okay, they will reward you with 10%, which get distributed to all investors or all holders. Okay, as you guys already know that I don't bring something that will make you no money, right? So these people, they are very legit. Okay, so what you do is that you kind of like buy the coin. Okay, if you want to buy the coin, you get on their website, and do not forget, if you get on their website, what you do is that you are going to see a pancakeswap and the BSC contract address. Okay, the reason why you should always try to get on their website is because when you get to their website, what happens is that it will make you to feel a little bit safe. Okay, so do not forget, that's their website right there, dragonreturn.io. okay, do not forget to get on the website and do not ask for contract address so you don't get the wrong one. So now you can also see their roadmap timeline to know what they are planning on doing next. This will give you head up so you can be able to know what they are planning on doing next. I don't know if there's a shitcoin, so you can kind of like buy the coin and kind of like keep on enjoying, and you'll be earning BTC. Okay, that's how you receive your own earnings. Okay, so they reward you in BTC. You guys already know that this is more like a tokenomics coin, but right now this is more like a tokenomics contract. It has changed or something like that, so it's a little bit different. Okay, so what you do for me is to kind of like get on their website right here and try to buy the coin. So if you're about to buy the coin, don't forget to kind of like put in what you are willing to risk. Okay, like there are plenty things right here that you'd like to know about, which I'm going to be explaining right now for you. So when it comes to the developer right there, the guy is transparent, and you can see the guy right down right there. Okay, so he's very transparent. And another thing is that there's a tokenomics coin. I've mentioned that already, and you can see the band one right there. You can see the circulating supply right there. You can see the BTC distribution, that's 10%. You can see the 5% marketing wallet, which I think is nice. You can see that the token has no team, and they have anti-dump and they have anti-well. So this will make the coin to know kind of like go drastically in price, like fall drastically in price. So if you want to buy the coin, don't forget to kind of like get on their website right here, dragonreturn.io. If you get right there, you are going to see pancakeswap. Then what you do is that you click on the pancakeswap to buy the coin. So this coin is very transparent. Okay, they are like, they know what they are there to do. Okay, and this is more like a community based token, and it's very different, and they know what they are doing. That's why I'm recommending this to you guys. So if you're going all in, do not go all in. Make sure you put in what you are willing to risk. As you guys already know, that this might be a shit coin, I don't know yet. Okay, but I feel that they are here to stay, so I cannot kind of like speak for them because I am not a financial advisor. Okay, so you can also join their Telegram group, and also if you want to get their BSC, that's their contract address, you make sure you get on their website, because this is the only source for you. A lot of you guys keep on making mistake by searching Dragon Return contract address and all that. So, and if you do that, you might get the wrong contract address. So what you do is that you get on their website, so you can be able to kind of like get the real contract address, and you can even buy the coin on their website. This will make this will kind of like give you a head up, so you know that what you're doing is very legit. So as a realist, I can say that this coin will kind of like yield out good optimism over the long run. I mean, favorable outcome. Okay, so I do not know on what will happen, but right now that this coin is in front of you, you kind of like try to make sure you buy the coin. Take any opportunity that comes your way, and do not waste time on anyone. Okay, so I believe you are finding value. Do not forget to check them out. So do not forget to buy the coin, and also try to get on their Telegram. Okay, the coin has a great potential. If the coin is going to be surviving, that means you're going to be making it big. Okay, so have in mind that the coin is a shit coin, a shitcoin. Okay, so you know how to trade on shitcoin. If you don't know how to trade on shitcoin, before you buy the coin, get on my channel here. You will see a video. If you're not a subscriber yet, you'll see a video. Just look around, you will see a video on how to trade shitcoin.
So that will give you more like that will open your eyes so you can be able to know on how you can be able to kind of like trade on the shitcoin. Okay, so you can buy the coin, buy as many as you want. Okay, so this is all about you. So you do what you feel happy about. Okay, then you go for it.
So before you go, do not forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification. I am begging you right now. Please do that for me. Please. Just do that for me, okay? Just subscribe, turn on the bell notification. Do that again. Like this video. Smash the like button. Share this video to your friends. Don't forget to do that for me. And if you're new here, relax. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway soon. See you again.